A gear motor is the pairing of an AC or DC electrical motor and a gear reducer, making one unit, giving you high torque at a low speed and with a low degree of horsepower. Gear motors are most used in applications where a large degree of force is needed to move heavy objects, and the specifications for these motors are typically normal speed and stall speed torque. Most industrial gear motors use fixed-speed AC motors, while DC motors are most commonly used in automotive applications. Other advantages of gear motors include simplified design and implementation due to eliminating the need to design and integrate the motors with gears separately, prolonged design life with proper motor gearing pairing, eliminates need for couplings, and eliminates potential alignment problems. Interest in gear motors have gained traction due to rising energy costs, and gear motors have been viewed as an efficient solution since they can be used in a wide range of applications. It is critical to have the correct rating for the application in which the motor and gearbox is being used for, because this will ensure the full optimization of the gear motor as you integrate it into the system you're using it for. For more tech tips, keep checking our channel, GTV on YouTube, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every week.